Okay, I didn't think I would find a tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel Watch, but I did. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video I have a tempered glass screen protector for your Pixel Watch. Yes, you heard me correctly, a tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel Watch. Now currently I do have a TPU one installed. Now this one kind of does feel like you do have a plastic coating above your screen there. It kind of doesn't glide smooth like it did before without any screen protection, but some screen protection is better than none screen protection. So as far as the TPU one, absolutely works good, and it works just fine with your Rinky Pixel Watch case. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the Pixel Watch Rinky case on and try to use this as my guide to install the tempered glass screen protector for this. So without further, I'm going to go ahead and remove this TPU one we currently have installed, and I'm going to use this as a dust removal sticker. There we go. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy here. Now I do not know if this glass one would fit. So right off the back, we get 3. This is a 3-pack, so we do have 3 tempered glass screen protectors here. We do have the dust removal stickers, and that's it. No alcohol wipes or anything like that. Boo! So let's go ahead and put that aside. Let's take a look at this bad boy here. Let's see. And it looks like it's gonna work with the actual case there. I'm super excited right now. Let's go ahead and grab this dust removal sticker and see if we're gonna be able to easily install this bad boy here. Bam. Let's go ahead and remove the back. I wish they would have gave me a sticker to guide this. So just kind of use your fingers to kind of Now, let me tell you right off the back, it's not going to work. I kind of like their idea, but because it is rounded, it does not adhere to the glass right. Bam, it would have been perfect though if they did. Look at that. And then, let me take, does it have a, yeah, it doesn't even adhere to the screen here. Yep. So the tempered glass screen protector is not gonna work at all, man, and I'm super disappointed. I'm gonna go ahead and return these. Do not buy these. It just does not adhere to the screen because you do have a curved display and just the middle portion of the watch sits flat. So I strongly do not recommend these. So I'm gonna go ahead and issue a refund, and I'll go ahead and put myself back one of those tempered glass, one of those TPU ones back, because I'm pretty upset with this. I was super excited and it did not work out, but there you have it. That's why you come to this channel, to see what's going to work for your devices and what's not. If you have any questions regarding this tempered glass screen protector for your Pixel Watch, leave it down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.